the Forbidden Eye. I, Salma, shall now give you counsel to seek out your miraculous journey. Your off-road journey is high-speed and turbulent, going over rough and rugged terrain, and then suddenly you are turning sharply and dropping suddenly. It is unlike anything you have ever experienced, I assure you. Now, my friends, one final word of advice. Once you have entered the chamber of destiny, look not into the eyes of the idol. That would be dangerous. Very dangerous. Well, my friends, your moment is drawing near.
How many minutes, buddy? How many? Two, come with me, how many?
Are you there? Come in! Splendid! You have only to check your seat straps. Buckle up tightly now. Hello? Hello? Oh, my friend! The brakes may be needing a little adjustment. Easy on the curves.
You have chosen life. This path leads to timeless youth and beauty. You look into my eyes. Your path now leads to the gates of doom. Up to the left. Oh, you had to look, didn't you?
Tourists. Why did it have to be tourists?